Students, welcome to Excel Tuition. In this video, we will solve MCQs on Social Science 2, that is Geography. Students, most important and repeated questions for the subjects Science, Maths, History. Videos are already uploaded on these subjects. In this video, we will solve some MCQs of Geography, that is Social Science 1. So let us start. Choose and write the most appropriate answer from the multiple choice given to you. First, which of the following is the latest arrival in modes of transportation in the map of India? Options are A. Airways, B. Pipelines, C. Roadways, and D. Waterways. And the correct option is B. Pipelines. Second question, in which of the following language are the largest number of newspapers published in India? Options are A. English, B. Hindi, C. Urdu, and D. Marathi. And the correct option is B. Hindi. Question number 3. Which of the following activities come under the territory sector? Options are A. Banking, B. Manufacturing, C. Mining, and D. Agriculture. And the correct option is A. Banking. Fourth question is which one of the following is the public sector industry? Options are A. Maruti Udyog, B. Tata Iron and Steel Company, C. Indian Railways, and D. Reliance Industries. And the correct option is C. Indian Railway. Fifth question. Which one of the following villages has most successfully adopted rooftop rainwater harvesting? Options are A. Koina, B. Jendathur, C. Tehri, and D. Jaisalmer. And the correct option is B. Jendathur. Question number 6. Which one of the following has caused a poor habitat for the aquatic life in rivers? Options are A. Excessive sedimentation at the river bottom, B. Limited flow of water from dams, C. Very less rainfall in the catchment area, and D. Depletion of forest cover. And the correct option is A. Excessive sedimentation at the river bottom. Question number 7. Which one of the following gas pipeline connect Jagdishpur in Uttar Pradesh? Options are A. Hazira, B. Salaya, C. Barauni, and D. Upper Assam. And the correct option is A. Hazira. Next question is which one of the following is the biggest port with a spacious, natural, and well sheltered harbor? Options are A. Marmugao, B. Mumbai, C. Paradip, D. Haldia. And the correct option is B. Mumbai port. Question number 11. Which one of the following sources of credit charge a much lower interest on loans? Options are A. Traders, B. Landlords, C. Money lenders, and D. Commercial banks. And the correct option is D. Commercial banks. Question number 12. Which one of the following is included in modern form of currency? Options are A. Grain, B. Cattle, C. Coins, and D. Gold. And the correct option is C. Coins. Question number 13. Which one of the following is the main cause of land degradation in Punjab? Options are A. Deforestation, B. Over irrigation, C. Intensive cultivation, D. Overgrazing. And the correct option is B. Over irrigation. Question number 14. Which one of the following is a biotic resource? Options are A. Plant, B. Water, C. Coal, D. Petroleum. And the correct option is A. Plant. Question number 15. Which one of the following is the reason for the low infant mortality rate in Goa? Options are A. Due to high rainfall, B. Due to high literacy rate, C. Due to good food habits, D. Due to mining. And the correct option is B. Due to high literacy rate. Question number 16. Which one of the following is an example of renewable resource? A. Coal, B. groundwater, C. copper, and D. crude oil. And the correct option is B. groundwater. Question number 17. Which one of the following has led to land degradation in Gujarat? Options are A. Mining, B. Overgrazing, C. Over irrigation, D. Deforestation. And the correct option is B. Overgrazing. Question number 18. Which one of the following soils has conker layer formation in the lower layer to restrict infiltration of water? Options are A. Arid, B. Forest, C. Black, and D. Laterite. And arid soil is the correct option. Question number 19. Which one of the following is the best quality of iron ore? Options are A. Hematite, B. Lignite, C. Magnetite, and D. Anthracite. And the correct option is C. Magnetite. Question number 20. Which one of the following mineral is used in electronic industries? Options are A. Mica, B. Bauxite, C. Manganese, and D. Iron ore. And the correct option is A. Mica. Question number 21. Which one of the following states has the highest density of roads? Options are A. Maharashtra, B. Karnataka, C. Tamil Nadu, and D. Kerala. And the correct option is D. Kerala. Which one of the following is the cheapest means of transport? Options are A. Airways, B. Railways, C. Waterways, and D. Railways. And the correct option is C. Waterways. It's the cheapest means of transport. Question number 23. Which one of the following authorities issues currency note in India? Options are A. Reserve Bank of India, B. Bank of India, C. State Bank of India, D. Central Bank of India. And the correct option is A. Reserve Bank of India. Question number 24. Which one of the following definitions is related to foreign trade? Options are A. Trade within the country, B. Trade between the country, C. Trade on a large scale, and D. Trade on a small scale. And the correct option is trade between the countries. Question number 25. Which one of the following soil conservation method have contributed in establishing the desert in western India? Options are A. Counterploughing, B. Terrace cultivation, C. Strip cropping, and D. Shelter belt formation. And the correct option is D. Shelter belt formation. Question number 26. Which one of the following state has enormous potential for developing wind and solar energy? Options are A. Madhya Pradesh, B. Haryana, C. Rajasthan, and D. Jharkhand. And the correct option is C. Rajasthan. Question number 27. Which one of the following is the highest quality hard coal? Options are A. Peat, B. Bituminous, C. Anthracite, and D. Lignite. And the correct option is C. Anthracite. Question number 28. Which one of the following state is the leading producer of mica in India? Options are A. Jharkhand, B. Maharashtra, C. Karnataka, and D. Madhya Pradesh. And the correct option is A. Jharkhand. Question number 29. Which one of the following services can be considered as a basic service? Options are A. Eating out, B. Tourism, C. Shopping, and D. Educational institutions. And the correct option is educational institutions. Question number 30. Which one of the following is an unorganized sector activity? A. Teacher in a school, B. A doctor in a government hospital, C. Farmer irrigating her field, and D. Clerk in a government office. And the correct option is C. Farmer irrigating her field. Question number 31. Which one of the following soil is suitable for growing cashew nuts? Options are A. Black soil, B. Red laterite soil, C. Alluvial soil, and D. Red and yellow soil. And the correct option is B. Red laterite soil. Students, if you like the content of the Excel Tuition Goa board channel, then kindly like, share, and subscribe. Share to your friends. Kindly share and support and watch full videos. Next question is, which one of the following state has severe land degradation due to overgrazing? Options are A. Rajasthan, B. Punjab, C. Goa, D. Karnataka. And the correct option is A. Rajasthan. Question number 33. Which one of the following is the basic raw material for the cement industries? Options are A. Mica, B. Limestone, C. Bauxite and D. Copper. And the correct option is B. Limestone. Question number 34. Which one of the following mineral contained in the monazite sand? Options are A. Coal, B. Thorium, C. Uranium and D. Oil. And the correct option is B. Thorium. Question number 35. Which of the following conservation strategies does not directly involve community participation? Options are A. Chipko movement, B. Beach Bajao Andolan, C. Demarcation of wildlife sanctuaries and D. Joint forest management. And the correct option is C. Demarcation of wildlife sanctuaries. Question number 36. Which of the following states has the largest area under permanent forest? Options are A. Karnataka, B. Madhya Pradesh, C. Assam and D. Jammu and Kashmir. And the correct option is B. Madhya Pradesh. Question number 37. Which one of the following industry is the largest employment generator after agriculture? Options are A. Automobile, B. Sugar, C. Cement and D. Textiles. And the correct option is D. Textile industry. Next question is, smokestacks are fitted to factories to reduce which one of the following type of pollution? Options are A. Water, B. Noise, C. Thermal and D. Air. And the correct option is D. Air. Question number 39. Which of the following is the formal source of credit? A. Money lenders, B. Banks, C. Traders, D. Friends. And the correct option is B. Banks. Question number 40. Which of the following is used as a modern form of money? A. Copper coins, B. Grains, C. Paper notes, D. Kettles. And the correct option is B. Paper notes. Question number 41. In which of the following state is the terrace cultivation practiced? Options are A. Plains of Uttar Pradesh, B. Punjab, C. Uttarakhand and D. Haryana. And the correct option is C. Uttarakhand. Question number 42. Which one of the following soil is mainly found in West Bengal? Options are A. Alluvial soil, B. Black soil, C. Arid soil, D. Forest soil. And the correct option is A. Alluvial soil. Question number 43. What is the other name for the tertiary sector? Options are A. Consumer sector, B. Agricultural sector, C. Service sector and D. Industrial sector. And the correct option is C. Service sector. How many days of work in 1 year is guaranteed under NREGA 2005? Options are A. 80 days, B. 100 days, C. 60 days and D. 250 days. And the correct option is B. 100 days. Question number 45. Which of the following is a renewable resource? Options are A. Mineral oil, B. Natural gas, C. Coal and D. Soil. And the correct option is D. Soil. Question number 46. Which one of the following mineral is known as the backbone of industrial development? Options are A. Gold, B. Mica, C. Iron ore, D. Bauxite. And the correct option is C. Iron ore. Which one of the following industries use limestone as a basic raw material? Options are A. Steel, B. Cement, C. Aluminum, D. Chemical. And the correct option is B. Cement. Question number 48. Which one of the following ports was developed to relieve the following pressure on the Kolkata port? Options are A. Haldia, B. Kandla, C. Paradip, D. Chennai. And the correct option is A. Haldia. Which one of the following state has a low density of roads? Options are A. Jammu Kashmir, B. Uttar Pradesh, C. Rajasthan, and D. Bihar. And the correct option is A. Jammu and Kashmir. Question number 50. Which of the following is an example of primary sector? Options are A. ATM, B. Fishing, C. Production of sugar, D. Lawyers. And the correct option is B. Fishing. Question number 51. On what basis are sectors classified into public and private sectors? Options are A. Employment condition, B. Nature of economic activities, C. Ownership of enterprises, D. Number of workers employed in the enterprises. And the correct option is C. Ownership of enterprises. Question number 52. Which one of the following animal is an example of a rare species? Options are A. Asiatic cheetah, B. Desert fox, C. Asiatic elephant, and D. Indian rhino. And the correct option is B. Desert fox. Question number 53. Which one of the following conservation strategies do not directly involve community participation? A. Joint forest management, B. Beach Bachao Andolan, C. Chipko movement, and D. Demarcation of wildlife sanctuary. And the correct option is demarcation of wildlife sanctuaries. Question number 54. Which one of the following landforms possesses rich reserves of mineral, fossil fuels, and forest? Options are A. Mountain, B. Plateau, C. Plain, and D. Desert. And the correct option is B. Plateau. Question number 55. Which one of the following soil is also known as Regur soil? Options are A. Laterite soil, B. Red and yellow soil, C. Alluvial soil, and D. Black soil. And the correct option is D. Black soil. Question number 56. Which one of the following places in India has the largest deposits of iron ore in the world? A. Naumundi, B. Ratnagiri, C. Bicholim, D. Kudremukh. And the correct option is D. Kudremukh. Which one of the following is a source of non-conventional energy? Options are A. Thorium, B. Coal, C. Wind, and D. Petroleum. And the correct option is C. Wind. Question number 58. Which one of the following pollution result in irritation and anger? Options are A. Water, B. Air, C. Noise, and D. Thermal pollution. And the correct option is C. Noise pollution. Which one of the following cities has emerged as the electronic capital of India? A. Chennai, B. Kolkata, C. Bengaluru, and D. Mumbai. And the correct option is C. Bengaluru. Question number 60. Which one of the following is observed as the National Consumer Day in India? Options are A. 24th December, B. 24th January, C. 24th November, and D. 24th October. And the correct option is 24th December is observed as the National Consumer Day in India. Question number 61. Which one of the following courts set up the redressal of consumer disputes details with the cases involving claims up to rupees 1 crore? Options are A. District level courts, B. State level courts, C. National level courts, and D. International level courts. And the correct option is B. The state level court. Question number 62. Into which one of the following categories of species would you place the Andaman wild pig? Options are A. Rare, B. Vulnerable, C. Endemic, and D. Extinct. And the correct option is C. Endemic. Which one of the following is not a valid reason for the depletion of flora and fauna? Options are A. Large-scale development project, B. Grazing and fuel wood collection, C. Agricultural expansion, D. Rapid industrialization and urbanization, and the correct option is agricultural expansion. Question number 64. Which one of the following state is the largest producer of manganese? Options are A. Maharashtra, B. Goa, C. Karnataka, D. Odisha, and the correct option is D. Odisha. Next question is which one of the following mineral is made up of series of plates and leaves? Options are A. Bauxite, B. Mica, C. Iron ore, D. Copper, and the correct option is B. Mica. Question number 66. Which one of the following pollutions causes hearing impairment? A. Air, B. Water, C. Thermal, D. Noise. And the correct option is D. Noise. Question number 67. Which one of the following plateaus has maximum concentration of iron and steel industries? Options are A. Malawa, B. Central Highland, C. Deccan, and D. Chota Nagpur. And the correct option is D. Chota Nagpur. Question number 68. Which one of the following is called National Highway number 1? Options are A. Mahatma Gandhi Marg, B. Sher Shah Suri Marg, C. Akbar Marg, and D. Lodhi Marg. And the correct option is B. Sher Shah Suri Marg. Question number 69. Which one of the following is related to the Consumer Protection Act 1986? Options are A. Right to freedom, B. Right to information, C. Right to equality, D. Right to speech, and the correct option is B. Right to information. Question number 69. Which one of the following is the certification maintained for standardization of agricultural products? A. Hallmark, B. ISI, C. ISO, and D. AgMark. And the correct option is D. AgMark. Question number 71. Which one of the following is a non-renewable resource? Options are A. Human being, B. Water, C. Forest, and D. Minerals. And the correct option is A. Human beings. Question number 72. Which one of the following is the hardest of all minerals? Options are A. Iron, B. Platinum, C. Copper, D. Diamond. And the correct option is D. Diamond. Question number 73. Which one of the following places provide ideal conditions for tidal energy? Options are A. Manikarn, B. Gulf of Kutch, C. Nagarcoil, D. Madhapur, and the correct option is B. Gulf of Kutch. If you like the content of the video, kindly share to your friends, subscribe, kindly share and support. You can write in the comment box if you want any more study videos on any subjects. Now question number 74. Into which one of the following category can you place the black buck? Options are A. Rare, B. Vulnerable, C. Endangered, and D. Extinct. And the correct option is C. Endangered species. The last question, question number 75. In which one of the following state is the endemic species of Mithun found? Options are A. Arunachal Pradesh, B. Andhra Pradesh, C. Uttar Pradesh, and D. Madhya Pradesh. And the correct option is A. Arunachal Pradesh. Kindly like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.